Beloved Hazur, when Ahmadiyyat will spread in the Western countries, inshallah, do you think we will face the same persecution as we are facing in Pakistan and some other countries?
You see, when Ahmadiyya spreads here in the Western countries or any of the rich countries, from whom Pakistani governments or the poor countries are getting help and aid, they will stop doing all those atrocities they are committing nowadays against Ahmadis, right? So, when you see, there was a persecution of Christians till the time the Roman king accepted Christianity. And after his acceptance of Christianity, all the persecution and atrocities against Christians stopped. Right? So same way, here also, if by that time Muslims in some of the Muslim countries and either in Pakistan or somewhere else did not accept Ahmadiyyat before the acceptance of, the Western countries accept Ahmadiyyat, then they will have to, you see, what these Western countries are doing. Even now, they are dependent on these Western countries. And at that time, they will also be dependent on these Western countries. Since they are going to be dependent on these countries, and as long as they are dependent on these countries, they will have to follow what these countries are saying. So their God is not the one and omnipotent God, though they claim that they believe in one God. But in reality, their God is these Western countries they are following. So they will have to follow. Okay?
जी प्यारे हुजूर
चलो
जाज़ाकल्लाह।